Hello everyone, there is a big update from Capgemini. This is a special video. In this video we will try to understand why Capgemini hiring process is too slow. And if you remember that 1 week ago I did a survey, and in that survey more than 250 candidates voted. And let's talk about that survey first. So in that survey 8% candidates received LOI from Capgemini, means received letter of intent from Capgemini, and 22% candidates gave interview but didn't receive LOI, and 46% candidates received selection mail but didn't receive any interview mail, and 2% candidates didn't receive selection mail but received interview mail, and 23% candidates received rejection mail. So if you observe that there are 46% candidates in this survey who received selection mail but didn't receive interview mail. Okay, it means you can imagine there are many candidates, means almost 50% candidates, you can say there are almost 50% candidates who received selection mail but didn't receive interview mail, means they are still waiting for interview mail. Okay, so this is really a huge number. Okay, and first I want to show one more screenshot. This is the screenshot. Let me zoom this. This is the mail from Capgemini, and Capgemini is sending assessment link. Can you understand? Capgemini is sending assessment link now, means this is the first candidate, and one more candidate received this mail. Okay, in this mail they are saying this is assessment mail. They are saying the first step in your selection process with Capgemini would be to clear an online assessment test, which is scheduled for you on 21 July 5 2 and 30 p.m. Means uh, this candidate registered for this candidate applied for Capgemini in April, but he received assessment link for 5 July. Are you getting? Why? Means he applied in April and he got assessment link in July. Means April, May, June, July, 3 or 4 months. Okay, so this is too slow, and it means if he can get assessment link after May, June, July, means if he can get assessment link after 2 3 months later, then you can get interview after 1 month also. Okay, so uh, the conclusion is that, because the conclusion is that if you receive selection mail, then you have very high chance to get interview mail. Okay, but why I'm saying very high chance, not 100% sure, because I'm not a Capgemini. Capgemini can't do anything, because Capgemini don't hire any candidate directly. Capgemini hire candidates through Superset. Okay, so uh, I think there is not a coordination between Capgemini and Superset. That's why this process is very slow. Okay, so conclusion is that if you received selection mail, then you should wait for interview mail. Okay, and if you completed your interview, then you should wait for LOI, because Capgemini don't reject any candidate generally. Don't reject any candidate after interview. Okay, and after HR interview they don't reject any candidates. If your communication is very low, then they can reject you. Otherwise they don't reject any candidate after HR interview. So conclusion is that you should wait for interview mail if you received selection mail, and also if you didn't receive any assessment link, then also you should wait, because there are many candidates who are getting this assessment link. I already showed you this screenshot in this. Okay, you can see the screenshot, you can note the timing here. Today this candidate received this mail, and timing is 5 a.m. Okay, so this is the proof. And yeah, if you received rejection mail, then you don't have any chance. Otherwise you have chance for get for interview mail. And there are many candidates who didn't receive any mail. Okay, any mail, means they received work style report, but after that there is no more mail, and their superset status is showing applied only. Okay, so ignore superset status and just wait for Capgemini mail. Okay, if you didn't receive any rejection mail and if you received selection mail, then you should wait. Okay, so just wait for Capgemini. And if you think this video is helpful, please like this video, and if you have any doubt, please ask in comment box, and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.